Thank you for reaching FDC4 Production. Welcome back, my sisters and brothers from my different mothers. Thank you for your unquestionable loyalty. Thank you for your insatiably support. Thank you for always sticking around. FDC4 Production is a channel that is not sponsored by anyone. We don't get paid by anyone. Our own method of source is the monetization process of YouTube, but for that, we need audiences and we care about our audiences. That is why that every intel that we bring into this channel is for free. It is not gonna take any money away from you. It's gonna make you a better person, a better professional, because information is power. It used to be withheld by a small chunk of elite people back in the time, but those are things from the past. Technology is on our side. You and many of you have to embrace it. Of course, things doesn't go always the way we want to, but we always have to be synchronized with that frequency that will get us there. And in the event it doesn't happen, you cannot say that it's because you didn't try, this and that. No, you did everything what was supposed to be done. You synchronize yourself into that frequency and you keep yourself positive. It's definitely you the man or the woman. Going back to business, today I want to actually share with something with all of you, something that has not been tested. I repeat, this has not been tested from my end yet. I'm looking for some volunteers of our community who give it a try, and please, if possible, bring some results, some experiences from doing so. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls from different planets, allow me to introduce you Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is really cool. You can get rewarded for taking surveys, shopping and cash offers, and playing games. How does it work? Brands pay us for consumer report input. Brand pay you for consumer input. They recruit members like you. You do online activities, pay survey, cash back shopping, try new apps, exploring new products and services, playing games, and more. Alright, and then you earn real cash, no points. How you will earn free cash? They pay online surveys. Pretty much that's what people are coming here for. Most online surveys for money pay from 50 cents to $5, which is the most believable one. and take 3 minutes to 25 minutes to complete. There are some online services that pay $10 to $20 or more if you match the demographic profile that they're looking for. I don't believe it's $10 to $20, but it's fine. Taking branded surveys for money is a fun and popular way to earn. Who doesn't want to survive money for their options? Understand what I'm trying to say? We'll see. Get rewarded for playing games. We feature a wide array of our own games like Monkey Bubble Shooter, Manjal Solitaire, Outspell, Candy Yam. In addition, we partner with GSN Casino to offer you access to hundreds of GSN games. For every dollar you spend on GSN game, you earn 18% cash back in inbox dollars. Well, I said it and mentioned it because I have to, but I don't agree with sending you up there to spend money over there. Excuse me. Cashback for online shopping. It's another way you earn cashback while you shop online. Get free sample and discount from the top brands and more. They will also share with you their insider savings tips on where they will also share with you, or I mean with you, insider saving tips on where to find the best free stuff online. After new offers posted regularly for members to save and earn. Get paid through emails. Receive our best offer directly to your email, and they will pay you cash just for reading them and complete the offer for additional earnings opportunities. It's quick and easy to get paid for. Alright, did a good job. So now we got the grocery cash rewards. Earn cash for grocery shopping. Get access to great cash back deals for purchasing. Alright. And earn money for scanning your receipt or trying to feature deals. Over 80 million in cash reward paid. Inbox dollars review from our members. Right here you can see them. Partners that you know already. Yes, they are partners. Okay. Inbox dollar makes it easy, simple to earn money online. Since 2000, Inbox dollar have paid over 80 million in cash rewards to members for doing everyday online activities like reading emails, taking paid surveys, and playing video games. The Inbox dollars community allows members to influence future products and services. They also have an ongoing promos and contests for their members, and it's total disaster. Alright. Inbox dollars is an award-winning company recognized by Inc. 5000 for outstanding growth. They have been featured for Forbes, Mashability, Bustler, and numerous of other new outlets of top way to earn money online. You can find thousands of great views for interesting. Alright, I'm not gonna keep reading all this. I mean, I'm getting you bored. I mean, and my goal is to make you, keep engaged in short videos. but I get really emotional, you know, and enthusiastic when I bring you a very potential one that you can actually make money. Just keep your eyes open, you know, and don't bring around this area and stuff like that. Just kidding. This is online, guys. It's in box dollars. It's for free. It's not gonna rip you apart. Just share your experience with us in the chat, in the video, and I hope that you know, get out of this. I wish you the best. Have a wonderful day. Until the next time. Production. And don't forget to subscribe, please.